The action camera world just got hit with one of the best deals of the year, as DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro has dropped to an unbelievable $269 on Amazon. That's a $70 discount from its original price of $339, and it's turning heads across the tech community for all the right reasons. Whether you're a filmmaker, traveler, vlogger, or extreme sports junkie, this deal delivers an unbeatable balance of power, performance, and price. The Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't just another compact action camera. It's a statement from DJI that they're here to take on GoPro and Insta360 in every lighting condition imaginable. Most action cameras start to crumble as soon as the sun sets or when you take them indoors. The footage turns grainy, noisy, and loses detail. But the Osmo Action 5 Pro doesn't play by those rules. It features a massive 1/1.3-inch image sensor, significantly larger than what you'll find inside the GoPro Hero 13 Black, meaning it can pull in more light, capture more detail, and produce cleaner, sharper video in low-light environments. This makes it an absolute dream for nighttime vloggers, sunset chasers, and anyone who wants reliable quality no matter when or where they shoot. What's even more impressive is that this compact beast is capable of recording 4K video at 120 frames per second, giving you those buttery smooth slow-motion shots that look like they came straight out of a professional camera. Imagine filming your skate tricks, snowboarding runs, or travel vlogs in crisp 4K detail, and then slowing them down to highlight every precise movement. That's the kind of cinematic magic the Action 5 Pro brings to your fingertips. DJI has also included subject tracking, which intelligently locks onto moving targets, whether the person running, a car speeding by, or even your dog sprinting across the yard, ensuring you always stay perfectly centered in the frame. On top of that, it comes with dual OLED touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back, making it a perfect camera for vloggers who want to frame themselves accurately without any guesswork. The dual screen design means you can easily record yourself while traveling, narrating your adventures, or even filming tutorials outdoors without ever missing the perfect angle. In terms of image quality, DJI didn't stop at sensor size. The Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers 13.5 stops of dynamic range, giving your footage incredible contrast and color depth, especially in scenes where bright highlights and dark shadows coexist. This means your videos retain detail, whether you're filming in harsh sunlight or under dim city lights. The camera also features Super Night Mode, a specialized low-light optimization system that enhances exposure and reduces noise without over-brightening the image, resulting in true-to-life, cinematic visuals even in near darkness. And because DJI knows adventurers like to push their gear to the limit, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is waterproof straight out of the box, no external case required. You can dive right into the action, literally, whether it's surfing, snorkeling, or shooting in the rain. The included Essential Combo also sweetens the deal, as it comes packed with extra batteries and mounting accessories, meaning you're ready to shoot longer and from more creative angles right from day one. Unlike some brands that sell bare-bones kits, DJI's bundle feels complete, offering serious value for anyone stepping into the action cam scene. Speaking of value, one of the biggest advantages of the Action 5 Pro is its battery life. It consistently outlasts most competitors, often surviving an entire day of intermittent shooting without needing a recharge. This is a huge plus for travelers or vloggers who spend long hours outdoors and don't always have access to a power source. However, as with any product, it's important to note a few limitations. The camera's maximum focal length is 24 millimeters, which provides a natural field of view, but not the ultra-wide perspective some extreme sports users prefer. If you want those immersive wide-angle shots, you'll need to invest in an optional lens mod. Additionally, while the touchscreens are bright and responsive, they can become slightly finicky when you're wearing gloves, something winter sports enthusiasts should keep in mind. Storage-wise, the Action 5 Pro relies on microSD cards, so if you're planning to capture high bitrate 4K footage, investing in a fast, high-capacity card is a must. Still, even with these minor trade-offs, the value proposition here is incredible. For comparison, the GoPro Hero 13 Black, DJI's biggest rival, is currently retailing for around $399, and while it boasts an impressive software ecosystem and broader third-party app support, it struggles to match the Action 5 Pro's low-light capabilities. On the other hand, the Insta360 Ace Pro sells for roughly $379 and includes a convenient flip screen. But again, it can't compete with DJI's superior sensor and night performance. That's why this $269 deal is so enticing. You're essentially getting pro-grade image quality at a mid-range price. DJI has clearly taken years of experience from its drone and gimbal lineup and poured that expertise into this action camera. The stabilization on the Action 5 Pro is also exceptional, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even when you're running, biking, or shooting handheld. DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady algorithms deliver gimbal-like stability without the need for extra equipment, which is a huge win for creators who prefer compact, all-in-one setups. The result? Perfectly stable 4K slow-motion videos that look effortless, no matter how intense the movement. And with its AI-enhanced image processing, colors pop naturally, skin tones look accurate, and motion blur is beautifully controlled. For creators who love sharing their adventures online, the Action 5 Pro also integrates seamlessly with DJI's MIMO app, allowing instant transfers, quick edits, and one-tap social sharing right from your smartphone. You can edit, trim, and even apply cinematic LUTs or filters directly through the app, saving hours of post-production time. Beyond specs, what really sets the Osmo Action 5 Pro apart is its versatility. Vloggers will love the front OLED screen and crystal clear microphones. Athletes will appreciate the fast tracking and smooth stabilization. And filmmakers will admire its ability to capture cinematic low-light shots that would challenge even mirrorless cameras in certain scenarios. DJI designed this camera for real-world use. Durable, intuitive, and compact, yet loaded with professional-grade tools. And at just $269, it's an unbeatable entry point for anyone looking to level up their content creation game. When paired with the Essential Combo, the value multiplies even further. Extra batteries ensure you never miss a shot, and the mounting kit lets you attach the camera to helmets, handlebars, or tripods effortlessly. It's a plug-and-play package designed for both beginners and professionals. Another noteworthy mention is how the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro handles heat management. Even during long recording sessions, it remains remarkably stable, avoiding overheating issues that often plague competing models. That reliability makes it a strong choice for extended travel vlogs, sports events, and long-form recording. And while its design feels compact and lightweight, it's built with premium materials that can take a beating, perfect for those unpredictable adventure moments. Looking at the broader action cam market in 2025, competition is fierce, but DJI is playing smart by combining innovation with affordability. GoPro might still lead in ecosystem strength, and Insta360 might have the edge in creative editing flexibility. But DJI's focus on sensor performance, low-light mastery, and hardware stability puts the Action 5 Pro in a league of its own. For creators who often film in varying light conditions, from bright sunny days to dimly lit interiors or nighttime cityscapes, this camera delivers consistency and confidence. And because it's waterproof, dustproof, and rugged, you don't need to baby it while shooting. That's why professionals and casual creators alike are calling it the best low-light action camera of 2025. DJI's reputation for image quality has long been proven in its drone cameras, and that same DNA now defines the Action 5 Pro. It's a camera that lets you shoot freely, anytime, anywhere, and in any light. For those wondering whether it's worth the upgrade over previous models or budget options, the answer is a resounding yes. The sensor upgrade alone transforms the footage quality, and features like Super Night Mode for 120 frames per second and 13.5 stops of dynamic range make it stand out in a sea of generic action cams. Plus, at $269, it undercuts nearly every major rival offering similar specs. The only real competition at this price is older generation GoPros or entry-level Insta360 models, neither of which comes close in image quality or night performance. So, if you're someone who values cinematic quality, durability, and all-day battery life without emptying your wallet, this is your moment. Deals like this don't come around often, and once the discount ends, prices are likely to bounce back up to their original $339. Whether you're planning your next adventure, documenting your travels, or simply upgrading your vlogging setup, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the ultimate all-rounder that performs like a professional camera yet remains incredibly user-friendly. It's a true testament to how far action camera technology has come. Powerful, portable, and now, finally, affordable. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a camera to beat in 2025. It delivers outstanding low-light performance, superior stabilization, dual touchscreens, long battery life, and unmatched versatility, all at a price that makes it accessible to everyone. If you've been eyeing a GoPro or Insta360 but hesitated due to cost, this is the perfect alternative that gives you professional-level results without compromise. Our final recommendation? Grab the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro at $269 before this limited-time deal disappears. Because cameras this could rarely stay discounted for long. It's the perfect tool for creators who want to capture every moment beautifully, whether it's day or night, indoors or outdoors. So, if you're ready to elevate your content, click that buy button, hit record, and start creating magic. And with that, this is TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest tech reviews, comparisons, and gadget deals. See you in the next video.